at an English fair. One evening I was there when I heard a showman shouting underneath the flare, I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut cup holder for your bike. In order to make one, you're going to need a few simple items. We got all these items off of Amazon. Okay, we got cup holders, and we also got the bar clamp that goes on the side of the bicycle here. So I'll put all the information in the description below for these items. You'll also need some studs, bolts, and some lock washers that go inside of the coconut itself. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is start with a coconut. Now we've drilled the side of the coconut and we've let it dry out for several weeks. This will make the meat inside dry up and we can peel it out easily. Now the first thing we're going to do is make a top cut on the coconut so that we can extract all the meat. So we're going to measure the diameter of the cup holder, and then we're going to make a very rough cut on the top with the bandsaw to get inside of the coconut first. All right, we've got our mark made. We're going to cut it about 2.5 inches of diameter, and we're going to make our first slice with the bandsaw. Now to get the meat out of the coconut, we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to work that meat out like this. You can also use your fingers too. All right, so we've got all the meat extracted from the inside of the coconut, and it's really easy if you let it dry out for a couple of weeks. Like I said earlier, we used the 5/16 drill, and we simply drilled a hole in the top. We made sure we went all the way through, and then we just let the coconut sit for a few weeks so it can dry out. The meat comes out in nice big chunks when it dries out like that, and it comes out very easily. And now that we have everything extracted from the inside of the coconut, we're going to go ahead and shore up our hole and get it to the right size diameter to fit our cup holder. We're going to use a belt sander to make sure that we take off just enough area off the top and enough material so that we have a perfect fit with our cup holder on top. So we're going to move over to the belt sander now. All right, now if your coconut is too shallow or too narrow down at the bottom for the entire cup holder to go in, you can shave off the bottom of the cup holder and just leave it open to have that nice rim, and it'll still work very well. I would make sure you have a drainage hole down at the bottom. All right, now for the mount that's gonna go on the side of the holder, you're going to use that 5/16 drill bit again, and we're gonna drill a hole, but we're gonna choose the side of the coconut that sticks out the most from the center diameter so that we have enough room for the bolt head inside of the coconut itself. So we're going to choose this side because it's got a little bit of a bulge on it. Now in order to get the bolt to the right size, I had to cut these down to leave about 1 inch. All right, we're going to go ahead and use our 3/16 Allen wrench, and we're going to tighten down that mount on the side of the coconut. So you'll only be able to get about 1 turn from the mouth of the coconut up here on the side of the Allen wrench. Okay. All right, we're all finished. So we'll put the cup holder on the inside, and we'll leave it removable just in case you want to take it out and clean it. But that's it. Now you have your very own coconut cup holder.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
They're lovely.